Welcome to this first episode of Hiking Hoover, where I'm going to give you a snapshot of different Hoover neighborhoods so you'll just have a feel for all the great options that are out there. My name is Jeanie Shea. I am your Hoover realtor with Keller Williams, and this is
Clara Burchfield, Jeanie's awesome
There we go,
assistant.
awesome admin. That is it. Today, we're just going to be checking out Creekside. So those of you who don't know what Creekside is, it is a small garden home community within the greater Trace Crossings, and it's in Hoover, located over by the Hoover Met. One of the things I love about Creekside is that it has kind of level streets. So we've got these great walking sidewalks, and you don't have to kill yourself going up and down the mountains.
Right, yes.
These homes are kind of like garden homes. So they have small front yards, small backyards. So are you a backyard person?
No.
Yeah, so you would love this community because not a lot of yard work. So you think about the families this would appeal to. I think of empty nesters.
Sure. Yes, that's nice. One level, everything's right there together.
Yeah, the price point for Creekside runs between, say, $300,000 to about $360,000. You and I both know what's all the cool stuff for nearby here.
Oh, so convenient to food and restaurants.
Food.
Entertainment.
Yes, all kinds of cool things coming up. Just a great community, Hoover school system, great price point, and something for everyone, really.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Yep.